Your words are spirit, Lord, and they are life. Your words are spirit, Lord, and they are life. The law of the Lord is perfect, it revives the soul. The rule of the Lord is to be trusted, it gives wisdom to the simple. Your words are spirit, Lord, and they are life. The precepts of the Lord are right, they gladden the heart. The command of the Lord is clear, it gives light to the eyes. Your words are spirit, Lord, and they are life. May the spoken words of my mouth, the thoughts of my heart, win favor in your sight, O Lord, my rescuer, my rock. Your words are spirit, Lord, and they